So in the fourth video in the series, I'm going to show you a slightly different way of doing a cut on action shot, where we use the two different tracks, or the numerous different tracks that you can apply in iMovie. So for this example, I'm going to use this clip right here, which is basically a shot of me walking across the shot, opening the fridge and taking out some food. What I'm going to do is, as the door opens, you're going to see a shot of this fridge magnet coming into view. In iMovie, you can add multiple layers of footage over the top of one another. But first of all, I'm going to clip off the unnecessary parts of this clip. So I'm just going to trim it down until the point just before I enter the shot. So that's gone. And then I'm going to trim off any extra after I walk out of the shot. So just at that point there, that's about half the clip. So no wasted footage there. Now what I want to do is from this clip, what I want the fridge door to open, come towards the camera, and then the fridge magnet come to a halt in front of the lens. So I want just from there, as it's coming towards the camera, just to a point after it comes into focus and stays still like that. So that's about 4.7 seconds. And I'm going to drag that, and you can see that as I drag it, it attaches itself to the top of the first clip that I dragged in. And what I can do is I can move that clip left or right. And as I play the clip, what's going to happen is you'll see what's on top here is actually what's going to be visible in the final clip. So now that I have this, all I need to do is move it to the point where it looks right with the movement of the opening of the fridge door. Now, this is a really good example of a point where we should probably, for fine control, use the zoom control on the timeline, because it gives us super fine control of the location of this additional clip. So let's watch it. Now you can see there that the close-up shot starts to move after the movement of the fridge door. So what I'm going to do is actually trim that a little bit so that it's halfway through its movement, and then move it that way a little bit. And now let's have a look. So it's halfway through the movement of the fridge door, and then we start to see the fridge magnet coming towards us. Let's have a look. Okay, now that looks just about right. And there we have it. That's a great way for you to add a little close-up shot. It's really easy just to drag it in on top of your existing shot, trim it, slide it to the right point, and then you've got a much more interesting shot and a great little extra bit of cut on action in your movie.